Hi, let's make this delicious stir-fry pasta together. I will start by peeling off the skin from the chicken, then cut it into smaller pieces. Once that is done, we transfer it into a bowl and season it with salt, garlic paste, ginger paste, paprika, thyme, and chicken seasoning. We will mix everything together and set it aside to marinate while we prep the rest of our ingredients. These are the vegetables we will be using. We are blending up some onion, garlic, white spring onion, red sweet pepper, and tomatoes. As you can see, I added some habanero pepper for extra heat. Once blended smoothly, we will set this aside. Now let's slice up our fresh veggies. We have here some carrots, red and green bell peppers, onions, cabbage, and a bit more of green spring onion. In a hot pan, add some oil. Once it's nice and hot, go ahead and fry the marinated chicken until golden and cooked through. Then we will set this aside as well. In the same pan, add some onions and stir for about 3 minutes. Then you come in with your blended mix. Stir everything to combine and cover it to cook for some time. You should occasionally be checking on this as you don't want it to get burned. You cover this back and leave it to simmer for some time. While that simmers, we will boil our noodles, and once it is cooked and soft, we will drain the water from it and put it aside for the main dish. Now back to our sauce. We are going to season it with a bit of salt, curry powder, chicken cube, and shrimp powder. Give it a nice stir to combine and leave it for about 2 minutes to absorb all the beautiful flavors. Next, we will come in with our chopped vegetables and mix everything gently. We'll add some small water to help the noodles to absorb the sauce. We will now add the fried chicken and the green chopped spring onion for the extra flavor. Finally, we'll add the noodles and give everything a good mix until the flavors are all fully blended. And just like that, our flavorful stir-fry pasta is ready to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with a friend. Bye.